Pipe cleaner, pony bead, heart breathing. Materials for each craft: 1 pipe cleaner and about 40 to 45 pony beads. Fold the pipe cleaner in half and pinch closed to create the bottom of the heart. As you pick up each bead, take a deep breath in through the nose. As you thread each bead onto the pipe cleaner, breathe out slowly through the nose. Once your pipe cleaner has as many beads as you would like in it, place it down on a surface and shape the curves of the heart. Twist the open ends of the heart together to secure the beads. Place your heart back on the surface. Trace your finger up one side of the heart as you breathe in slowly through your nose. Trace your finger down the opposite side of the heart as you breathe out slowly through the nose. Keep your heart anywhere you need it to remind yourself to take deep, slow breaths to calm and quiet your mind and heart. Happy Valentine's Day from Thinky Dinky. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. See you later, everybody.